Hi guys, good evening. Yes, my name is Harpreet Kaur Todi. I've done a master's in English literature. I have a diploma in journalism. I have 16 years of teaching experience. I've trained students for exams like the CAT, MAT, XAT, SNAP, PGCET, banking, GRE, GMAT, SAT, ACT, and TOEFL. Today I'm an educator on hashtag CAT Live Daily. Hi Abhay, hi Samiksha. Are you guys ready for a verbal ability workshop, guys? Yes, can you give me a thumbs up if you are ready? Yes, Abhay, Samiksha. Are you guys ready? Okay, so let us get started. You have to pick the best summary question. The first one is there are four alternative summaries given. You have to choose the best and capture the essence of the passage. So you can read this particular passage. The people who support the use of animals in medical research are planning to take an animal activist rights activist to the launch of a campaign to give the silent majority a louder voice. People's petition will ask members for the public to sign a set of statements supporting medical research. According to Mary research, 75% of the population accept the need for animal studies and medical research, but this silent majority rarely gets heard. Yes, if you have read the passage, we will go to the options. You will tell me what is the best option. Can I do the poll? Hi, guys. Yes, Vaishali, Suyash. I was just doing best summary type of question. Can you just read this one, guys? Hi, Radha. Yes, can you read this passage and we will go to the best summary. Yes, this is known as a best summary type of a question. You have to read the passage. I will show you the options and you have to tell me which is the best summary. Are you guys ready? Have you finished? Hi, Abhay. Yes, guys, my name is Harpreet Kaur Dhodi and my code is CORE10. So those who are planning to join the plus guys, please go ahead and join with CORE10. You will get a 10% discount. We are doing summary type of a question. You can read this passage. I'm going to go to the options. I will give you a minute or more than a minute. You can tell me which is the best summary, guys. Vaishali, correct. Harsh, correct. Which is the best summary? Yeah. So only couple of you getting correct. Guys, the paragraph is not talking about people's petition. Paragraph is talking about people who support the use of animals in medical research are planning to take on animal rights with a campaign to give the silent majority a louder voice. The focus is that these are the people are called the CPM, Coalition of Medical Progress is becoming, this is the subject of the sentence. So even the options should have the subject of the sentence. It can't start with 75%, or it cannot be simply talking about people's petition regarding. So there is no mention of CPM here. And this also newspaper stories is not the focus of the passage, and therefore the answer is A. Are we fine with that? Okay, let's go to the next question. Done. Can I go to the options? Finish, guys? Okay, there are options in 2 pages. So I'll do the poll. You tell me which is the correct one. I can show you this and this. No one is getting the answer correct. So I'm going to end the poll because the answer is not coming up. Not a single person giving me the correct answer. The answer is A. New technology helps in water conservation by stretching existing water resources through drip irrigation, while desalination of water or transport of virtual water can help, they require energy which is also scarce. It's not saying that water conservation can be benefit for technology, as use waste water can be purified and again. This is not the answer. Technology helps and its efficient removal of pollution to water cyclable is incorrect. It water can be used more efficiently in agriculture, incorrect. So therefore the answer is A. Okay, now let us do this one, guys, where you have to pick which is the sentence, which is the word that will sit in the sentence. I'm going to mark, is it A or B? Is that fine? Read this first sentence. I will give you just 30 seconds. Yes, Radha and Meenal getting it correct. Parna. Yes, answer is going to be racism is an abhorrent. Abhorrent means something which you strongly dislike. Aberrant is any kind of irregularity. It's an irregularity, like aberration of the mind. That means having a problem in the mind. Easy one. It is not seems to fool, it seems to feel. Yes, guys, it will not be ambiguous, it will be ambivalent. Ambivalent means having mixed feelings. So I finished with my 10th standard. I don't know what to do. Should I become a doctor or an engineer? My class is going for a picnic in the morning. I want to go, but I don't want to go. That is known as a state of ambivalence or indecision, while ambiguous means two sided. Yes, Aparna, Samiksha, Anupama. Yes, yes, guys. A prize is when you get a raise in your salary, right? It's a raise. Appraise means evaluate. So when you look at somebody from top to bottom or you're trying to measure them, you will say appraised. So here again the answer is A. Yes, Radha, Aparna, Samiksha. Yes, answer will be immoral. Immoral means living off unethical ways. Amoral is a person who is against morals. Hmm. This will be climactic. Climactic means relating to climax, whilst climatic relates to the weather. Yes, Radha, Anupama, Meenal, Asmita, Pranjal. Yes, Radha, you will say contemptuous, means hateful. She is not contemptible. She herself cannot be who is something which who is bad, but she is contemptuous. That means she disapproves of everything that the girl did. Contemptible is very bad. Yes, it will be persuaded, allowed herself to be persuaded. Convinced means she is very definite about something. Now, allowed herself to be persuaded means when somebody is trying to convince you or trying to make you, what will you call, allowing yourself to yield, to give in to some kind of pressure. Okay? Yes, half and half, literally right. Illusion is a reference. So he made a reference to the magic of Houdini. Illusion is just a false image, right? Having being in a false impression. Yes, let me show you the leaderboard. Aparna is 8 on 11, Radha is 6, Asmita, Samiksha, Meenal 6, Suyesh, Anupama, Abhay, Pranjal, and Vaishali. Yes, guys, so you will say that the conversation was insipid. That means it was boring. Incipient. Incipient is a person who starts right from the beginning, the incipient stage. Yes, so here it is going to be invidious, Yes, invidious means likely to arouse anger. Insidious is something which is done indirectly and negatively. Okay, let's go to the next question. Yes, very good. Yes, most of you are marking A. So the speech cannot be laudable. That means praiseworthy. The praise was laudatory. Praise speech was laudatory means full of praise. So the principal's speech was full of praise. She expressed her admiration for her students. Yes, the word morbid. Morbid means anything which is very ugly, sad, gloomy. Here, the serial killers have a, what will you say? It's not moribund. Moribund means declining, fascination with blood. So they are not on the rise. Morbid is very sad and gloomy. Yes, so throughout history, people have been prosecuted. No, persecuted means harassed. Persecution of the Jews, we say. Prosecution when you are having a court proceeding. Yes, it will be B. Practicable means anything which can be put into practice. Yes, I am drawn by her poetic, sensuous, something which touches the senses of smelling, seeing, touch. Sensual is physical or bodily. So therefore he's talking about the quality of painting, therefore you will use sensuous. Yes, it will be B because deprecating means insulting. Depreciating is dropping numbers. Yes, so you can say that he is the beneficiary. Beneficiary, why? Because he is receiving it. Benefactor means being very kind. Answer will be complacent, means self satisfied. Complacent is to give in. Yes, so you will say it is a complement. Complement means to complete a whole. So the living room is the whole, sitting room is the whole, and the lights will add to it. This means praise. Yes, answer will be dependence. People you depend on are called dependents. So therefore it will be B, guys. So we will end the class here. I will see you tomorrow morning, guys, at 11:30 a.m. Fine. Those who have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe with code 10. You will get a 10% discount. Tomorrow we also have a plus class at 5 p.m. on critical reasoning, guys. Okay? Have a great day. Good night. Sleep tight. All the best. Bye-bye. Thank you.